Hello students, good morning. Hope all are doing well. This is Teacher Mini. Today we will start a new topic, that is plane symmetry. So plane symmetry on 3D shape. Okay, so what is a plane symmetry? A plane of symmetry divides the 3D shape into two congruent halves that are mirror images of each other. They are exactly the same. We know that what is a line symmetry. So line symmetry also, we cut the shape into two halves and which are mirror images of each other. Okay, so line symmetry is for the 2D shape and plane symmetry for the 3D shape. Okay, so we are discussing the plane symmetry for the 3D shapes. 3-dimensional, that's we call 3D. Three-dimensional figure has a plane symmetry if a plane can divide the figure into two congruent reflected halves. So you can see here the plane is a red color, cut the shape into two equal parts. Okay, so plane symmetry of different shapes we are discussing today. Some 3D shapes and how the plane symmetry is coming for each one, how it's different, everything. Okay, so now you understand what is the difference between line symmetry and plane symmetry. Line symmetry for the 2D shape and plane symmetry for the 3D shape. Okay, we are discussing for the 3D shape. Okay, so we can start. We will discuss more about the shapes. First one is a 3D shape into two congruent halves that are mirror images of each other. Okay, so first we took cuboid. Cuboid is familiar to you. You know that what is a cuboid. Okay, and so it has three plane of symmetry. Orally explained. So how it is coming, we will see how to draw. This is plane symmetry for the cuboid. We can cut this way. So okay, so this is the another one. So lengthwise we can cut it. Okay, the next one is widthwise, height. Okay, so three way we cut the cuboid. So it has three line of symmetry. Altogether this is coming way. First, second and third. The cuboid has three plane of symmetry. Okay, so next shape. Okay, before explaining, one more thing I have to explain to you. So, can you explain this type of diagonal wise line is a symmetry of the cuboid? For that one, we take the base shape. Base shape is a rectangle. We draw here the rectangle here. This is similar to similar situation of the rectangle. The rectangle does not have the diagonal wise line symmetry. Okay, so when we cut it, we got a diagonal. When we match it together, you must get the diagonal, but it is not get the diagonal, it's outside the shape. Okay, so that's why rectangle does not have the diagonal wise symmetry. The same thing, cuboid also not have the diagonal wise plane symmetry. Okay, so the cuboid only has the three. Okay, so next one, we are discussing about a square based prism. Okay, so before explaining this plane symmetry, what is the difference between square based prism and a cuboid? Cuboid, the base is rectangle. Square based prism, you can see here the base is the right part, you can see here, not down, the right part is a square. The square has four equal sides. Okay, the plane of symmetry is 5. How it is coming? Let's see. Cut the same way which when we done the cuboid. twice height, and here we can draw because the square has diagonal line symmetry. Okay, again one more. Okay, the total it has 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. This the two line of symmetry. This diagonal wise length. Okay, here which is a square based. Square can divide by diagonally. It is also line symmetry. Cuboid not possible. So we explain like that. Okay, so make it clear what is the difference between cuboid and square based prism. Cuboid has 3 line of plane of symmetry, and the square based prism has 5 plane of symmetry. Okay, next one. It's a special case. It is a cube. Cube means all sides and all faces are everything is equal. Okay, so only this cube has 9 plane symmetry. Okay, so here the 9 cubes are how we are cutting. Same like a cuboid and square based prism, we can cut the length wise, height wise and width wise, and here diagonal wise like a square based prism we got it, and here this is the extra thing, we can make it down also. Okay, so this is the way we got 9 plane symmetries of cube. Okay, so we can see one more example. It's a transparent shade, so you can identify very clearly how we drew. Okay, so first one was cuboid, second one was square based prism, third one was cube. Okay, so next one is a triangle based prism, triangular prism. We have here two type of triangular prism. First one is isosceles triangular prism. Second one is equilateral triangular prism. Okay, so first discuss about isosceles. Isosceles means two sides are equal. It is same like a triangle. In isosceles triangle, you can draw one line of symmetry. It is a 3D shape and it is a prism. We can cut it in another way. So you will get two plane of prism, lengthwise and then widthwise. We can see like that. Okay, so isosceles triangular based prism has two planes of symmetry. Okay, let's go for the next shape, that is a triangular based prism again, but it is equilateral. Equilateral means three sides are equal, so you can draw three lines of symmetry for the triangle. Okay, and it is a prism, you can cut it in again the fourth way. Okay, so an equilateral triangular based prism has planes of symmetry, 4 planes of symmetry. Okay, now pyramid. This much we are talking about the prisms and pyramid. I know you know that what is the difference between prism and pyramid. Prism, both it has a base, two base will be there, up and down, it has the same base. But pyramid only one base and the top will be the like a pointed. That's called pyramids. First we discuss about triangular based pyramid. Rectangular based pyramid. Rectangle. Okay, rectangle has here two line of symmetry. So rectangular pyramid has two planes of symmetry. One. Okay, so next one, it's a square based pyramid. Square all sides are equal, 4 sides are equal, so you can make 4 lines. Okay, so here a square based pyramid has 4 planes of symmetry. You can cut the 4 sides separately and then diagonally. Okay, so here we discussed two type of pyramid. First one is a rectangular pyramid and square pyramid. Square pyramid, 4 plane symmetry, rectangular, 2 planes of symmetry. Okay, next one we are discussing about irregular shape. Irregular shape also, not all the irregular shape, some irregular shape will have the symmetry. Can do the symmetry like that. But see, this also another shape, it does not have a plane of symmetry. When we cut it like this, we will not get it to equal for halves. So that's why no symmetry here. Okay, so plane of symmetry for sphere. It's just like a 3D shape of a circle. Line of symmetry of a circle, we study it as infinite line of symmetry for a circle. So sphere has infinite plane of symmetry. It should cutting through the center. The center is marked here P. So each time we cut through the P, you will get equal parts. So you will get many equal parts. That is infinite plane of symmetry. Okay, so next one, a hemisphere. It is a same properties of a sphere. So it has also infinite plane symmetry. Next one is a cone. Look at the base of a cone. It is a circular base. Circles has infinite line of symmetry, therefore cone has infinite symmetries we can see. Okay, so last one, it's a cylinder. It's a two faces are circle. Circles have infinite number of line of symmetry. Therefore, cylinders also have an infinite number of planes of symmetry. Okay, so here sphere, cone, okay, hemisphere and cylinder. 4 they have infinite number of plane of symmetry because all they have the base is related with the circle. State the number of planes of symmetries for each shape. We have some shapes are there. So we have to say what is the number of symmetry. It is a pentagon, pentagonal prism 6. Okay, 5 sides we can cut it and the middle way has only 2 lengthwise and the height way, width way we can cut it. Regular shape, not all the sides are equal, it's a different one. So it's only one way we can cut and make the symmetry. Next one is a cylinder, it's easy. Yes, correct. And fifth one, we can cut it in a 4-way lengthwise and one back cut in the middle. So you will get the 5 line of symmetry. And number 6, okay, so you will not get the lengthwise and diagonal wise. It's not equal. Only we can cut it in the half middle way. That is only 1. 7th one is, I think it is an equilateral triangular prism. Yeah, we know that how 4. 8th one, there's no name of this shape, but it is a symmetrical that 2 parts are symmetrical. So we can cut it into 3 ways. Next one, we can cut it into 2 ways. Okay, these are some examples how we are writing the number of symmetry. Okay, so now for you, please write the number of plane symmetry It is a rectangular pyramid, cone, yes, cone, cube, sphere, and it's a triangular prism, but you can see that sides are equal, that is equilateral triangular prism. Last one is a cylinder. Okay. Hope you understand this topic. This is a very easy and simple topic. You will get worksheets on Google Classroom. Solve it and then send it. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.